Hi friends, today we have put together a list of 10 cool gadgets for you. This will make your room really cool and your friends will definitely be jealous. Don't forget to click on the bell and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of our new videos. Let's start with the secret keeping desk clock. Not only can it show you the time, but it can also show you what's going on in your home right now. Thanks to the hidden 5 megapixel camera with night vision, voice recording and a motion detector, you'll always know what's going on in your room. You can stream full HD video from the camera to your smartphone or tablet. It's worth paying attention to. If the first gadget was made so that it wouldn't draw attention to itself and do its important work behind the scans, then this is the opposite of what you said. This Bluecast feature that makes it flow will not go unnoticed. It stands out from similar products because it looks good and sounds good. What would you like to float in your room? Tell us in the comment. If you like to have parties at your house, then check out the next thing. This is a cool LED backlight that creates a light show when it hears music or any other sound like speech, clapping, noise, etc. Just plug this flying saucer into your computer or tablet via USB and watch the LED lights dance. The next gadget is also made to make you happy with its colorful lights. These are triangle-shaped light panels that you can put anywhere on the wall and use a special button to change the brightness, color and glow. A phone app or using Siri, Alexa, Google Assistant or Amazon's Alexa. Like the last gadget, light modules can light up to beat of music based on how much they weigh. At the same time, the system lets you manage more than 30 light panels, which you can buy individually or as a set. It's a beautiful and modern way to decorate your home, right? If you want to make your room into a real ecosystem, this strange garden makes it possible. You can choose to try bear in a garden. This aquarium is a closed ecosystem with both small and big animals. From the above, the waste from the fish feeds the plants, and the plants filter and clean the water for the fish. We can all agree that it will be even more interesting to watch fish that live in this aquarium. Another levitating gadget in today's collection is a pot for your favorite flower. Just plug the plant into a power source and place the pot on top. Since magnets help it stay up in the air, the first time you try to balance, it will be little hard. So we say to start by practicing with an empty pot. This is a great way to decorate your house or office. Remember the crystal from our video that makes a rainbow when the sun's rays hit it. Now you can enjoy the rainbow even in total darkness. This rainbow projector can be powered by a regular plug, and after turning on 5 LED lights, it will give the room a magical feeling. It will look really cool in a baby's room. The next gadget in our collection is a clever way to sleep. In simple terms, this is a system that will help you go to sleep and wake up at the right time. With the help of desktop devices, unique sound and light effects, the interactive diagnostic mat that comes with the kit will also keep track and analyze how well you sleep. Or in all seriousness, it is a device that scientists of Stanford University have tested in the lab and in people. If it's easy to fall asleep but you have a hard time getting up in the morning, this thing helps out in a pinch. This alarm clock will wake you up with sounds and lights that sound like the dawn, with a gradual increase in brightness instead of standard alarm clock's annoying tunes. You will wake up slowly and without stress with this alarm clock. You can pick a bird song or turn on your favorite radio station. What choice would you make for yourself? Let's end today's list with a Bluetooth speaker that has good sound and is very small. Yes, this person even puts it in their pocket. You can even use it to take a selfie. There is a button on the speaker that can be used to open the camera shutter from a distance. You can answer calls and use the speaker as a full-faced headset because it has a built-in microphone. So little and yet so useful, right? Write in the comments what modern gadgets you think would look great in your room and what would you have never bought. See you later.